Hello and welcome to Ross & Park Motors. Another new arrival here today. This time it is a CITROEN C4 Picasso. This is a Grand Picasso, so 7 seats. Very clean, very tidy. It's done 120,000 miles. It's 2015. On a 15 plate, and it's a VTR Plus spec, so it's like a mid-range spec. So it's nicely spec'd with aircon, alloys. It's got USB connectivity. It's got Bluetooth streaming. Little front and back electric windows. Yeah, they're a nice spec car. Very good on fuel. These will easily do over 50 on a run, probably even over 60 take the time, and they are £20 a year road tax, so that's what makes these popular. Very good on fuel. Yeah, nice clean car. Just had it all polished, still the seats washed, so you've got like a touchscreen media centre there, which is where you do all your heater and your stereo bits and bobs, and then a split screen at the top there. 120,112 miles as we do the video today. So yeah, nice clean car. We do plenty of these. We have a couple to choose from, so go have a look on the website for alternatives. And there is more pictures of this one on the website as well. That's rossandparkmotors.co.uk, or give us a call 07 868 722 133.